Something huge just happened in the meme coin world. Pump.fun, the market's biggest player, just bought the Padre Trading Bot. In my opinion, this is not a small update, it's actual game changer for all the meme coin traders. Padre was already one of the fastest and also cleanest bots for meme coins. And now with Pump.fun built in, Padre will have direct integration across all the top chains, fastest executions, and automations tied where the biggest launches actually happen. And of course, this gives Padre users serious edge over other meme coin traders. So in today's video, I'll show you full step-by-step setup for Padre, why the Pump.fun acquisition makes Padre the best bot to use in this bull run, the best strategies to optimize entries, exits, and risk, and how to use Padre insider wallet tracking tools to optimize your gains. And as usual, if you use my link in the description to sign up on Padre, you're getting a discount on all the future trading fees, and plus extra rewards just for trading on the platforms. Basically more money in your pocket, and also it helps my channel. So without wasting any more time, let's jump in straight to Padre Trading Bot. If you've been using any trading bots in the past, for example Axiom or BullX, which I covered also on this channel, you'll probably be familiar with 80, I would say maybe 70% of the features. The only difference is Padre managed to actually polish up these features and make them better for the traders. And of course, with meme coins and trading, every small upgrade can actually mean profits or losses. That's why I think Padre at the moment is #1 trading bot. So first of all, in the trenches, we have 3 different columns. So the first column is all the fresh new tokens being launched. You can see right here, the market cap and also volume of these tokens is going to be super low because these are fresh tokens just right out of the oven. Next up, we have tokens about to migrate, which are called soon. Basically, these tokens are about to reach bonding curve if we're talking about Solana. And if we're talking about multi-chain support, right now you can trade on Solana and also BNB chain because Binance lately had really great meme coins and lots of opportunities to make money. And in the near future, Padre plans to add additional chains like Base and others where we have lots of opportunities for meme coins. Let's jump in back to Solana. And lastly, we have tokens that migrated from Pump.fun or other platforms. You can actually even select what platforms do you want to follow: Pump.fun, Booth, LaunchLab, Bonk, Moonshot. So basically right here in the filtering options, you can filter out any of these columns. And I personally like to leave first 2 columns without any filters because I want to see what is happening in the markets, what kind of tokens are being launched, what is the hottest trend, what is the narrative. And for the migrated, actually I have some filters because these are bigger tokens. And of course, you don't want to be trading some scams. If you jump into filters, again, you can filter out by the platform where it was launched, but I have only a few filters set. So the first one is actually the market cap, which I like to put at 70K or sometimes 100K, which means you will only see tokens at above amount you input. For example, right now I have 70K and we only have tokens that reach 70K market cap. Next up, I like to set up some of the safety features. So first of all, top 10 holders, which means what percentage of supply, basically what percentage of all the tokens the top 10 holders are holding. And I like to put it at 36 or 30. And again, it kind of depends on the market conditions. If there's more meme coins being launched, if there are more meme coins that are actually migrating, you can put it a bit lower. If it's really boring, you can put it higher because, of course, if you put it too high, there's not going to be any tokens. For example, if you put like a 2%, apply, yeah, there's almost no tokens. So let's keep it for 30% just to have more opportunities. And next up, insider holding, again, 30%, and sniper holding is 30% also. So let's apply. And for example, if you want to see more security and safety features, you can click on any token. For example, let's go for this token. Right now it has 234,000 market cap. And you can see right here, data and security. For example, for this token, top 10 holders are holding 22% of the supply, which is, I would say, medium range for meme coins, because of course, meme coins are kind of still ruggy and heavy on the insiders, but it's not that bad. You can see it's yellow color, not red. Developer sold, there's 0 snipers, and also you can check out the top holders and traders, but I'll go deeper into that a bit later. So first of all, if you want to start trading, you have to add funds, and it's super easy. So first of all, for safety and security, you don't have to connect your wallets to the bot. Basically, nobody can actually steal from your wallet. Again, really safe. Second, of course, you have to send funds to the Padre wallet. So when you're creating your Padre account, you will have a wallet created for you. If you click right here, you have a wallet address, or you can click right here on portfolio. You can see all of your wallets. You can actually create multiple wallets for your accounts. If you click create, you can select what network, Solana, name your wallet, for example, YouTube. Create. And you can see I just created a new wallet. You can do the same thing for Ethereum and Base, YouTube, Base, for example. Create. And then you can go right here on the right, select Ethereum base or BNB chains, for example, base. Again, you have your wallets, YouTube base. Just copy your wallet address and send the corresponding tokens. For example, for BNB chain, you have to send BNB. And for the Solana chain, of course, you have to add Solana to actually buy the tokens of this chain. I know for some it sounds really simple, but I'm just showing you if you're a complete beginner. And also, if you're watching this video, you can ask anything in the comments and I will try to answer all your questions about Padre and trading meme coin project. And now let's get back to the trenches. So the next topic is how to buy and sell tokens and what are the best strategies and tools with Padre to actually maximize our profits. So let's jump in, for example, to this token, which is called 402 CAT. First of all, if you want to be quick with buying and selling tokens, we have this button right here, which is called Instant Trade. If you click here, you can buy any tokens just with one click, and you can have this instant buy panel all over your screen. Next up, you can also resize and customize this panel. For example, right here, we have default numbers. For example, if you want to buy 0, 1, or for example, 1 Solana of token instant, but also if you click right here, you can put in any amount you want. So if you're a whale, you can put like 10 Solana, for example, and click right here. And now you can instantly buy 10 Solana when you want. And the same goes for selling. You can see you can sell 25%, 50%, and 100%. And if you want to go some strange numbers, you can also go, for example, 69%. Nice, yeah. And if you've been trading meme coins, it's really important to understand trading fees. So right here, we have P1, P2, and P3. So this allows you to actually create 3 different presets for the trading fees. So for example, right here under, you can see all the information, but let's go probably just to edit out and make it even easier. So again, we have 3 presets, preset 1, preset 2, and preset 3. And also we have Inferno option. And actually Inferno could be a really great option. Basically, Padre will set all the settings automatically and try to buy or sell this token as fast as possible. But I personally only use Inferno if I want to buy super hype token where there's lots of buyers, lots of sellers, and I want to be super quick. Because right now the market's a bit slow, I would recommend you going with preset 1, which is the cheapest, and I think it will work perfectly fine. You can actually copy my settings. These are not perfect, and it really depends on the meme coin market. If there's lots of traders, lots of tokens, I usually up my settings because, of course, I want to buy quick. If there's less tokens, less traders, I go super low because the transactions will go through, and also you're saving money. So again, if you want to buy quick, if the token is super popular, just click Inferno, and the bot will buy automatically or sell automatically. If the market is slow, or if you're buying token which is super new and nobody's really buying, can use cheap settings for like these and it will still work. Also, don't forget to select MAV protection. And again, with these settings, you'll be golden. Let's click off and you will have the same settings right here in the instant buys or sells right here on the top. And we have also Inferno. And now let's talk about buying and selling tokens the normal way and all the different strategies. So first of all, again, on top, you can see we have our wallets. You can buy and sell tokens by clicking buy or sell. Again, select how much. You can buy using market orders, which will mean you're buying at the current price. But also you can select limit orders and have exit strategies. So let's click exit strategies. And right here, you can add take profit. And you can also add stop loss. So you can see TP is take profit, SL is stop loss. So take profit strategy means you can select at what profit amount. For example, at 50% profit, I can take 100% of my investment, which means if the token goes up by 50%, the bot will automatically sell all your positions. And the same goes for stop loss. For example, if the token goes down by 15%, let's sell again 100%. So you can actually click buy. Again, I didn't do much research about the token. And you can see your order right here, and you have a stop loss and take profit. And at any time, you can actually click X and close these positions. Again, really easy. But with this kind of setup, you're pretty safe that when the token goes up, you're taking the profit. And if the token crashes, again, you can see it's pumping right now. If the token crashes, you're not losing all your money. And I personally use this feature a lot because, for example, when I'm filming videos or when I'm out in the city, I'm not looking at the screen and waiting to actually dump or buy the token. I have my bots set up and they're doing all the heavy lifting. And there's multiple different ways to actually have your strategy. You can put in few or multiple take profits. You can also have multiple stop losses. So again, you can test with different numbers and different tokens and see what works for you. I actually use it pretty basic. Usually I have like 50% up or 100% up and I sell my whole position, or I sell like 80%. And for the stop loss, I usually go like 25% or 20% and I sell 100% because, yeah, if the token is dumping by 20 or 30%, usually it's not really worth it because meme coins are full of jitters or like weak hands, and they will all dump at the same time, basically crashing token to zero. So if it's dumping by that much, I'm out. Next up, we have another really important feature if you're a meme coin trader or if you're a beginner, because this feature can make you lots of money. If you click right here, sell, we have what's called trailing stop loss. And this is a really cool feature. I would call it more advanced feature, but I'm not seeing too many people actually utilize this feature. So what it means, for example, if your token is right here, and you have stop loss at 10%. But if the token continues to pump like we have right now, and you have no take profits, you can actually miss out on the pump. For example, if the token goes for, like, let's go for the chart right here, and then dumps to right here. The chart was pretty good, but you actually lost out on the money because you haven't taken any profits. And you're gonna hit your stop loss and actually lose money on the winning token. And this is where the trailing stop loss comes in. Actually, Padre will automatically raise your stop loss. For example, if the token goes right here, your stop loss also goes right here. If the token goes right here, your stop loss comes right here. And this way, when the stop loss is triggered, you're in the profits, and actually could be big profits, and you don't have to be worrying about token if you're not looking at the chart. So I think this is a really cool feature. And the trailing stop loss, I think it's a really great name because the stop loss will trail together with the charts. For example, if it pumps, the stop loss goes right here. If it pumps again, the stop loss is right here. And if you have a sudden dump, you're making profits. For example, right now we have this example position, which is, you can see right here. Let's click instant trade, sell 100%, and we just sold our tokens instantly. And we are in the profits. We bought right here, and we sold right here. And for this example, I actually haven't done much research about the token. I actually just went to trenches, did some really simple filters, and selected one of the tokens I felt was on the safer side to actually show in the video. So now step one is done. You know how to add money. You know how to instantly buy and sell tokens. You know how to customize buy and sell settings, how to customize the fees, how to buy tokens when you're in the rush, and also how to have your exit strategies using stop loss, take profits, and also how to use more advanced features like trailing stop loss to actually make the most money. And now let's talk about the alpha, how to actually find these tokens where we can actually make money on these charts that are green. So first of all, you can go to trending. This is the first page of Padre. And I don't really use it often, but I only use it to just figure out what kind of trend do we have. So you have trending, you have DEX, you have new, and you have Pump.live, where you can actually check out some of the live streams. Right now, the live stream meta is pretty dead, but in the trending, you can actually check out what's trending right now, what kind of tokens are trending. And you can see, for example, right now we have CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko tokens are trending, which means maybe we'll have some kind of meta similar to these platforms. For example, maybe other crypto platforms will have their own tokens. So let's jump into the trenches. Let's check out some of the new tokens. Let's check out CoinMarketCap. Again, yeah, we only have one token. Basically, right here on the search, you can input any word and see if it's really a trend, how many tokens are actually launched. For example, we have NVIDIA. I think this will be NVIDIA. Okay, you can see how many NVIDIA tokens have been launched. So basically, this allows you to see what kind of trend do we have, how many tokens with the same name are launched, because if it's a new trend and there's like thousands of the same tokens, yeah, it's too late. But if it's a new trend and there's only like 10, 20 tokens, there still could be a good opportunity in buying 3 or 4 of the better ones in this category and actually hoping for like 20 or 50x pump. Next up, when we are in the trenches, we have some really cool features. For example, you have lots of icons right here. So for example, for this one, you can hover and you can see what kind of token it is, what kind of social media they're using, and where is the idea coming. Also, you can see if the DEX is paid, which is again really great because you can see all this information in one window. And my favorite feature is actually the alpha tracker. You can see what paid insider and VIP groups are mentioning the tokens. For example, you can see Mario Nafal, you can see PF Potter. So basically, you can see what kind of people are buying. And if you want to go deeper, we have Alpha Tracker. And right here, you can see what groups are buying what tokens. And actually, these are huge groups. These groups cost like $100, $200 a month. And you're getting all the same alpha for free. So for example, this token, Add Lows, 11 paid groups mention this project. So let's click on it. And you can see on the chart exactly at what point these tokens were mentioned in all of these paid groups. And actually with this token, Some of them are really, really right. You can see if you followed this or this call, you would be up. And again, it will depend on the different groups, on the different tokens. So let's check out. Yeah, you can see this token. Yeah, it has been mentioned so many times in the chart. Yeah, it's okay-ish. Let's go maybe, yeah, this token I bought today. You can see how many groups mentioned this token in the beginning, and it kind of crashed out. But after some time, we have a pump, and actually I bought it today also without checking all this info. And again, only Padre has this feature, and I think this feature alone could be worth like thousands of dollars because you're getting thousands of dollars worth of alpha every day. We get groups like Serenity, we have Potion, we have Cryptic, Minted, so all the major groups are right here. So all the major insiders are right here. And if you click on it, you can see at what point what group shared these tokens. For example, if you bought right here, you would be making 7x on your investment if you sold the top. If not, yeah, you would be on zero. I would recommend you spending a whole day checking out all the groups, who is right, who is actually shilling bad tokens, and of course, work out what insiders could be worth following. And also, if we're talking about meme coin traders and VIP groups, we have launched our VIP meme coin trading program called Meme Money. You can find the link in the description. In this program, we show you how to start trading meme coins, how to find the most profitable meme coins, how to analyze insider wallets, how to copy trade, and much more. Again, link in the description, mememoney.co. And the last thing before we go, we need to talk about rewards because Padre also rewards you just for trading. So let's click reward. You can see just for trading, I'm getting cashbacks in Solana. And for this video, I'm using fresh account to show you how it all works from zero. And I already made 0.0039 in Solana. And by the way, if you use my link in the description and my code you can see on the screen right now to sign up on Padre, you're getting a boost on all the cashbacks and also discount on all the future trading fees using this bot. So again, this leaves more money in your pockets. And of course, guys, if you have any questions, don't forget to ask them in the comments.